This is mmbabao on This Is How We Do It YouTube channel. Okay, so having problems on how to extract audio from Magix Music Maker. So here's what we're going to do. All you need to do is to have a audio track here or music. Let's play this one. Okay, so that's just an example. So first is when you extract your audio, you need to make sure that this bar here, this yellow marker here, is on the right place. So because this will help you to extract your full audio. So you need to go to this button here or press F12. So press this one. So let's just make an example. Let's say that you missed this one, and you need to press this so that when you extract the video, I mean the audio, you can extract your whole audio. Okay. Next is you need to go to the program settings here. Go to the audio. You need to make sure that this drop down box here, you need to click this one, this primary sound driver, and this direct sound. Check this one and press OK. Next is you need to go to this files, export, WAV. I highly recommend that you need to click the WAV rather than the other things there, because when you try to save it, it's gonna crash your project, and sometimes you will basically start over again. So next is you need to know what location or where location that you need to save your file. So let's say that I need to save my file in the desktop here, and the name would be like ggggggg. Okay, let's save. Important thing here is you need to check this too, this normalize, and also this only export the range between start and the end marker. So see this marker yellow here that I told you before, this is also important. So next is you need to press OK, so it will start exporting your audio. Boom. Okay, so we need to wait for OK. So it was successfully saved in a folder. Okay, press OK and put this down, and okay, here we go. So press this one. Yeah. So it sounds good. So hopefully that you learned something today on my video. So please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave your questions down below on my video, and I will also leave a link here on where I download this Magix music player. So just simply click that link down below on my video description, and just click, and I'll leave to you the rest. Okay, so thank you for watching, and God bless you all. This is mmbabao. This is how we do it.